You have
Two. Two.
here. Roll my turn for me.
What?
Roll my turn for me. How many did I get?
You have to change your shovel.
Oh.
Two. I think I wonder if it's gonna get on third. I'm gonna win. I guess I get on third. Again?
No. You only get a roll one time, silly. One more. What'd you get?
X.
Okay, roll for Mama. What'd I get?
Switch.
Oh. That's yours.
Three.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I got it.
It pooped on the floor.
Yeah.